In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can rename a cell and also a range on Microsoft Excel. Very simple. This is one of the most simplest things to do. So let's say we have this cell here and want to rename it. So this is the name box on Microsoft Excel interface. You can see name box appear here. So I select this here and I try to give it a name. It shouldn't be a space. It should be underscore if you want to use two names. So let me make it Mike. Good. If I want to add something else to it, I make it an underscore rather. Something like this, Mike Kick. If I want to add two names, but then I can't use a space. And also if you want to name a range, this is going to help you when you're doing a lot of calculations. You hear me? So if let's say you are trying to calculate for the profits, and let's see here is the cost price and the selling price. So you just write in your formula cost price, selling price, yeah, rather than using the ranges. So you just put your cursor here on top like this. Come to the name box again and let's name these locations. Enter and we are done. So look at something. When I tap on here, you see it changes to locations. Good. So anytime I'm trying to write a formula, let's say it's numbers here, I can add them simple and easy. Same way for salary. Let me do same for salary too as well. Salary, after that, enter, and I name the range too as well. So this is a range. And this is a cell. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.